Hi, in this video we'll see how to record the AR material dispatch. So in earlier videos we have seen how a sales order was generated in the system, how a sales order was created, and while raising the sales order, since those are all items, those items were tagged against the store with an expected delivery date, and when the date is nearby, the store has submitted those items for billing. So store has submitted a billing request, and again using the option of AR invoice, accounts team has raised the invoice. This is the invoice, and we raised a bill invoice on Paracagro, and these are the items that to be dispatched now, and these need to be shipped from Karnataka of India to Gujarat, another state of India. So now this has to be shipped, dispatched. So this is the screen. Let's click a screen of AR Material Dispatch and raise a Material Dispatch request. In order to do the dispatch, billing request is mandatory. So let's search. There is one billing AR invoice one. You can see this is for Parag Agro and this is the invoice value. And you can see the what was the value and was it against the sales order. And e-invoice IRN is India specific. It was while raising the invoice, you have choose to raise an e-invoice. So it is giving a status of e-invoice is successful. So this is India specific. For other entities outside India, that is non-Indian entities, this tab will not be there. That is e-invoice. This section will not be there because for US, UK, this e-invoicing is not applicable. This is India specific. So now this data is pre-filled automatically. Now this is the data that we need to fill. Is the transport done by us or a third party? So it is being now we are dispatching using a third party. Let's enter the transporter name. Now the transport. Transporter identification proof. So we had this is identification number. GS we are entering the GS number itself as an identification number of this transporter. Mode of dispatch is this rail or road, air, ship or courier. So the dispatch is through road, and document number that is the document number given by this transporter. So I'm entering some document number, document date. If there is an AW number, shipping number, tracking number, and vehicle number. So let's enter the vehicle number through which this is being dispatched. So this is the vehicle number and vehicle name. It is lorry. Is this regular or ODC? This is India specific requirement. Regular means we are sending the materials within the capacity of the lorry or the vehicle or anything. Over dimensional cargo means you have stuffed in the items more than its capacity. So some countries have a requirement if you are stuffing more than its capacity, then you should select as an over dimensional cargo. So we are not stuffing more than its capacity, so it's regular. Driver name, driver name is Jatin, and driver mobile number. Approximate distance between these two, that is from start to end. So from Bangalore to Gandhinagar, it is approx 1580 kilometers, 1050 kilometers. Expected delivery date. I expect this to be delivered in 5 days. If I am shipping through port, port code, port name, and shipping date, other references. So basically, in this dispatch section, we are capturing all the dispatch data. Click on validate. So it is saying as gate pass mechanism is active, please select a gate pass. So let's go to the gate pass. Yes, this vehicle has entered so this is the now the transport lorry which has come while entering the gate. The gate person has given a gate pass. So I can say Ashok Leyland lorry. This is what we entered. Ashok Leyland lorry, Jatin driver. So we have selected the gate was data. Well read. So there is no errors. So gate pass mechanism is optional. This entity has activated the gate pass mechanism. So it's mandatory to select the gate pass. So next, let's go to this e-way bill generation tab. S- In India, you can you need to raise the e-way bill. It is a requirement. This requirement is not for other countries. In India, I can raise an e-way bill using an IRN, or directly without you. I can raise an e-way bill without using an IRN, or I don't need to generate any e-way bill. For other countries, this option will not be there. If I have logged in as an US company in this AIS, you don't see the first two options. You can directly generate an material dispatch. So since this is an Indian entity where e-way bill requirement is there, and in this case I don't want to generate an e-way bill. Validate, save. So the dispatch request is raised and files are uploaded to the cloud. So that's it. So material dispatch is done, and at any point of time, you can search these dispatch request data. That is how we dispatch these items. At any point of time, if our customer asks, we can see which is the transport we use. Is it a self or is it a transporter? Is it by road or by rail? And who is the driver? And what was the expected delivery date? All those and all. So that's it for this video. In this video, we have seen how to record the material dispatch. So now the materials are dispatched from our store, and if our customer asks how we shipped those items or how we dispatch those items, you will click on this show material dispatch and check those dispatch details, and you can share. That's it for this video. Thank you.